Dialogue 1. Lending a book.
Hello, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
That's nice. What are you doing?
I'm just reading a book.
Oh, what book are you reading?
I'm reading Pride and Prejudice.
That's a great book.
Yes, it really is.
Have you read Moby Dick?
No, I haven't read it.
You should. It's an adventure.
I like adventure books.
I can lend it to you.
Really? That would be great.
I'll bring it tomorrow.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. I hope you like it.
I'm sure I will.
I've read it twice already.
Twice. That's impressive.
Yes, it's a long story.
How many pages is it?
It's over 600 pages.
That's quite long for me.
It's long, but worth it.
I'll try to finish it.
Take your time. No hurry.
I'll read it as soon as possible.
Sounds good. I know you'll enjoy it.
Do you have any other books?
Yes, I have many books.
What's your favorite book?
I love The Great Gatsby.
I haven't read that one.
You should try it too.
Maybe I will. Is it long?
No, it's a short book.
That's perfect for me.
I can lend it to you.
I'd love to borrow it.
I'll bring it along next time.
Thanks again for lending books.
No problem, I enjoy sharing them.
I love reading new books.
Me too. It's always exciting.
Do you read often?
Yes, I read almost every day.
That's a lot. I try.
Reading is a good habit.
I agree. I want to read more.
You will. Just keep reading.
Do you like mystery books?
Yes, I enjoy mystery books.
I haven't read many mystery books.
I can lend you one soon.
That would be great. Thanks.
You're welcome. I'm happy to help.
I really appreciate your kindness.
It's my pleasure. Happy reading. Dialogue 2. Getting a bite to eat.
Hello, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you.
I feel a little hungry.
I'm also feeling quite hungry.
What would you like to eat?
I want a pizza slice.
I think I will have pasta.
Pasta sounds very good too.
Are you going to drink anything?
Yes, I'll have some juice.
I'll drink water with ice.
Good choice, water is healthy.
Do you want to share?
Sure, let's share the pizza.
Great, I love pizza a lot.
I love pizza with cheese.
Me too, cheese is tasty.
What else would you like?
Maybe some soup to start.
I'll try the salad today.
The soup is very warm.
Salad is fresh and healthy.
How much does the soup cost?
The soup is $4.50 only.
That's not too bad, right?
Yes, it's affordable for sure.
I will order the soup.
I'll get a salad then.
The bread here is great too.
I like their garlic bread a lot.
Garlic bread sounds amazing right now.
Let's order some garlic bread.
Yes, let's add it to order.
I hope the food is fast.
I'm really hungry right now.
Me too, I'm so ready.
When will the food arrive?
The waiter will bring it soon.
I can smell the pizza.
The pizza smells so delicious.
I can't wait to eat it.
The soup smells really good too.
I think it will be tasty.
The salad looks very fresh.
I think we will enjoy it.
Yes, everything looks so fresh.
The food came so quickly.
I'm happy the food is here.
Let's eat and enjoy it.
Yes, I'm ready to eat now.
The soup tastes amazing.
The salad is fresh and tasty.
The pizza is so cheesy.
The garlic bread is perfect too.
Everything is so delicious today.
I agree, it's all great.
I'm so full now.
Me too, I ate so much.
Let's come back again soon.
Yes, I'll love to come back. Dialogue 3. Coffee and donuts. Good morning. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you.
The coffee shop is busy today.
Yes, there's a lot of people.
I think they are having a special.
What's the special today, Jane?
If you buy a donut,
You get a free coffee.
that's a great deal, right?
Yes, I love donuts and coffee.
Me too. What coffee do you like?
I like black coffee, no cream.
I add cream and sugar, though.
That sounds delicious. I prefer black.
I understand. Black coffee is strong.
Yes, it wakes me up quickly.
The line is getting longer now.
I hope they don't run out.
I hope they don't run out of donuts.
That would be the worst.
I really want a chocolate donut.
I'm going to get a glazed one.
That sounds great too, Helen.
What's your favorite donut flavor?
I love chocolate and cream filled.
I like plain donuts with sugar.
They have so many choices today.
I can't decide which one to get.
Maybe we should order 2 each.
That's a good idea, Jane.
The donuts smell so good today.
Yes, I can smell them too.
I think we should get in line.
Let's go, it's getting busy.
The line is moving slowly now.
I hope we don't wait long.
The staff looks very busy today.
Yes, they are working hard.
We can finally see the counter.
I'll order a glazed donut.
I'll get a chocolate donut.
Do you want coffee with it?
Yes, I'll take the free coffee.
Me too, I'll take black.
I'll have cream and sugar, please.
That sounds perfect for you.
I hope the coffee is fresh.
I'm sure it will be great.
I'm excited to eat my donut.
Me too, I can't wait.
Here comes our order, finally.
The coffee smells so good.
I love the smell of donuts.
Let's sit down and enjoy.
The donut is so soft inside.
My glazed donut is sweet and perfect.
This coffee is very delicious today.
The black coffee is very strong.
I think I'll come here again.
Me too, I'll definitely return.
Dialogue 4. Pizza time. Hello, Sarah. How are you?
Hi, Jane. I'm doing well.
What should we have for dinner?
I'm in the mood for pizza.
Pizza sounds great, I agree.
I found a coupon for pizza.
Really? What does the coupon say?
It's for free delivery tonight.
That's perfect. We can stay in.
I don't want to go out.
Me neither. It's raining heavily.
Yes, it's better to stay inside.
What kind of pizza should we get?
I love pepperoni and cheese pizza.
Pepperoni sounds delicious. I love cheese.
How about some mushrooms too?
Mushrooms are always a good choice.
I also like extra olives.
Olives would be a nice addition.
I'll call them for the order.
Okay, I'll get some drinks ready.
What drinks do we have?
We have soda and iced tea.
I'll have a soda with pizza.
I'll have iced tea, please.
I'll place the order now.
I hope it arrives quickly.
Yes, I'm really hungry today.
I'm also very excited for pizza.
I love pizza with lots of toppings.
The more toppings, the better.
I think they will be fast.
I hope the pizza is hot.
Yes, it's always better hot.
Do you like thick or thin crust?
I prefer thin crust pizza.
Thin crust is always crispy.
Yes, it's perfect for me.
I hope they have good cheese.
They always use great cheese.
The pizza should arrive soon.
Yes, the wait isn't long.
I can already smell the pizza.
I can't wait to eat it.
Here's the doorbell. It's our pizza.
I'm so hungry. Let's eat.
The pizza looks so delicious.
The smell is making me hungry.
I'm going to take a slice.
I'll take a big slice too.
The crust is crispy and perfect.
The cheese is so soft and melted.
The pepperoni tastes amazing too.
I love the mushrooms and olives.
Everything is so tasty today.
I think this is the best pizza.
I'm going to eat a second slice.
Me too, I want more pizza.
This pizza is the perfect dinner.
Yes, I'm so happy with it.
Dialogue 5. Getting delivery.
Hi, Jim. How are you?
Hi, John. I'm doing great.
What should we have for dinner?
Let's order something for delivery.
That's a great idea, Jim.
There are many choices around here.
What are the choices, Jim?
We can order pizza or Chinese.
What else can we order?
We can also get Indian food.
I like the sound of pizza.
Pizza is always a good choice.
What other options do we have?
We can get sandwiches or burgers.
I think Chinese food sounds good.
I can eat anything really.
I'm very hungry too, Jim.
I'm really hungry right now.
How about Chinese food, then?
That sounds great to me, John.
We can have leftovers tomorrow night.
I'm so hungry right now.
There may not be leftovers.
You're right, I'll eat everything.
Let's order the Chinese food now.
I'll call the restaurant for us.
Do you want rice or noodles?
I prefer noodles, they're tasty.
I like rice with Chinese food.
Let's get both, so we're happy.
Great idea. Let's order some dumplings.
Dumplings sound delicious. Let's do it.
Should we add some spring rolls?
Yes, spring rolls are always great.
I'll also get some sweet and sour chicken.
That's my favorite dish from there.
I think we'll enjoy everything.
I'm really excited to eat now.
I can't wait for the delivery.
The food should be here soon.
I hope it arrives hot and fresh.
Yes, we need hot food tonight.
The delivery driver is on the way.
I hope they find our place easily.
The doorbell is ringing. It's here.
Finally! I am so hungry.
Let's take the food inside.
It smells so good. I'm ready.
The dumplings look amazing.
The noodles look perfect too.
The chicken smells delicious, too.
Let's sit down and start eating.
I'm going to try the dumplings first.
The noodles are so tasty, John.
The rice is perfectly cooked.
Everything is better than I expected.
I'm glad we ordered this food.
I'll definitely order from here again.
This meal was definitely worth it.
Yes, I'm full and happy now.
Dialogue 6. Getting a refund.
Hello, I need some help.
Hi. How can I assist you?
I would like to return this item.
Is there something wrong with it?
Yes, it's not the right size.
Would you like a different size?
No, I would just like a refund.
Okay, I understand. No problem.
How long does the refund take?
The refund should be quick.
Will the amount go to my card?
Yes, it will go to your card.
That's perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. I will process it.
Can I get the refund today?
Yes, it will be today.
I paid with my credit card.
I'll refund the full amount now.
How long does the process take?
It should only take a few minutes.
Great. I'm happy to hear that.
I'm glad to help you, ma'am.
Will I get a receipt?
Yes, I will print one for you.
Thank you. That will be helpful.
I have completed your refund now.
That was fast. Thanks again.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Can I check the refund status later?
Yes, you can check anytime.
What if I don't see it?
You can always call us.
I'll check my account soon.
I hope everything is fine.
Is the refund going to be fast?
Yes, it should show up soon.
I'm glad it was simple.
We try to make it easy.
How long do refunds usually take?
Refunds usually take about 3 days.
That's good to know. Thank you.
You're welcome. It's our pleasure.
Can I still return items after today?
You can return items within 30 days.
That's great to hear. Thank you.
You're welcome. Anything else today?
No, that will be all.
Okay, have a wonderful day.
Thanks. I'll check my account soon.
If you need help, call us.
I will. You've been very helpful.
Thank you for your kind words.
I appreciate your quick service today.
I'm glad you're happy with it.
I'll definitely shop here again.
We look forward to your visit.
I'll tell my friends about you.
That's very kind of you.
I'm happy with the service today.
Thank you. Have a great day.